Welcome back to the Celtic Farm. Today we're taking a deep dive into a question that has puzzled many garden enthusiasts. Do purchased ladybugs effectively manage garden pests? Strap in for an enlightening exploration of these charming beetles and their role in our gardens. Ladybugs, also known as lady beetles, are more than just symbols of good luck. They're natural predators of soft-bodied insects and can be a gardener's best ally against pests like aphids. But how well do they perform when they're intentionally introduced into your garden? To understand their effectiveness, it's crucial to first understand ladybugs themselves. Hailing from the Coccinellidae family, these beetles undergo a fascinating transformation. Their life cycle includes 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. It's during the larval stage that they are most voracious, consuming hundreds of aphids to support their growth. Given their voracious appetite, it's clear that ladybugs can be incredibly beneficial. They're capable of consuming up to 5,000 aphids over their lifetime, offering a natural form of pest control that reduces the need for chemicals. This can lead to healthier plants and a more balanced ecosystem within your garden. However, the effectiveness of purchased ladybugs compared to their wild counterparts is a question that needs to be answered. Releasing ladybugs into your garden is an art in itself. The timing is crucial. Releases should ideally occur in the evening or early morning when the temperatures are cooler. This reduces the chance of immediate dispersal. Also, ensure your garden is moist and has existing pest populations. This not only provides the ladybugs with an immediate food source, but also a reason to stay and begin their work. However, introducing ladybugs isn't always a guaranteed success. If they don't find suitable conditions or if the pest population isn't adequate to sustain them, they may decide to fly away. To improve your chances of success, create a hospitable environment by avoiding pesticides and providing plenty of plant diversity for shelter. So, does buying ladybugs for the garden really work? The answer isn't a straightforward yes or no. It's a hopeful "it depends." With the right approach, ladybugs can indeed be a valuable ally in your gardening adventures and a significant part of your beneficials planning for garden success. If you found this exploration into the world of ladybugs intriguing, we invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us on our next adventure at the Celtic Farm. Until then, happy gardening.